Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings with Windows key plus I. This gets you straight to System Controls. Once Settings is open, click Gaming so you land on Xbox Game Bar options. Make sure your PC is running a recent Windows 10 build. The game bar appears in 1809 and later because the location and labels match what you're about to change. Now that you're in gaming, you're ready for the first toggle. Don't skip confirming the build since it affects menu names. You'll see a toggle labeled Record Game Clips, Screenshots, and Broadcast. Switch it off to stop the Xbox game bar from launching. Next, if you use an Xbox controller, uncheck the option to open the game bar with the Xbox button so it won't pop up during play. Once you change those toggles, close and reopen Settings to confirm changes took effect. Sometimes the UI lags, so verifying now prevents surprises later when you test an app or game. To finish, stop any lingering background permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps, and turn off Xbox Game Bar there so it can't run silently. Then sign out or reboot Windows to apply the change system-wide. This ensures running processes terminate. If the game bar still appears, you can remove its package using an elevated PowerShell command as a last resort, but be cautious and copy the exact command. If anything goes wrong, reboot first and recheck the toggles before removing packages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.